Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the e-classes now. Today we'll do geography. We'll continue our lesson. I hope you are staying safe and doing your regular studies at home. Make a habit of going through these online classes every day so that we'll continue our lesson without any interruption. Now, we were talking about resources and development and soil as a resource. We have already discussed about what is called a resource. Resources are the things which we find on the earth and use it for our development and our survival. So those things or objects are called resources, such as land, minerals, forest, water. These are all resources. We use them. So now here there are altogether, I wrote 6 points. We'll continue now. Before this we have talked about India, about land pattern, about the conservation of resources and many other things. Now today we'll talk about the soil. Soil is a natural resource. It is given to us or provided to us by nature, and we do various activities on the land. Natural resource and is a medium of plant growth. It is a medium of plant growth as well as support different types of living organisms. Without soil, life is not possible on the earth. So the life is possible because we have soil. And not only soil, we have water, we have air. These are also very important. So now, number 2, it takes millions of years to form soil. It cannot be formed immediately. It takes millions of years to form soil up to a few centimeters in depth. To form a few centimeters of soil, it takes millions of years. It's a very slow process. Previously, before this before this class, we have talked about weathering. Time factor is very important here. Number 3, various forces of nature. Forces of nature such as temperature, heat and cold. Action of the running water is also very important in the formation of soil. Temperature plays an important role. Action of the running water, wind, glaciers. Glacier means the river of ice. They move very slowly, few centimeters in a year. Glaciers and decomposers. Of course, decomposers are also very important. They are microscopic organisms that remain in the soil or in the air or in the water. They decompose things. Decomposers contribute to the formation of soil. In your previous classes, class 7, 8, you have learned about soil, different types of soil, layers of soil. But here we will learn in a detailed manner. It's a very vast lesson. So you can see there, temperature, action of the water, running water, wind, glacier, decomposers, they contribute to the formation of soil. Without this, if you take one of them out, it's quite difficult to form soil. Soil cannot be formed. So decomposers, they decompose plant and animal decay, dead bodies. Plant and animals when they die or when they dry up, plants when they dry up, or animals when they die, or even plant products when they fall on the ground, they get decomposed due to microscopic organisms. They are called decomposers. So if you take one of them out, it's quite difficult to form soil. So now here number 4, chemical and organic changes in the soil. Of course, soil contains various minerals. With the action of the water, the minerals, they get dissolved and mixed with the soil. Chemical and organic changes which take place in the soil all the time are equally important. You see that? While the formation of soil, various factors, various processes takes place. The soil of India, we'll talk about the soil of India, are of different types. Here in India we find different types of soil: red soil, black soil, alluvial soil, laterite soil, different types of soil on the basis of color. All the soils found in India are of not same color, they are of different colors. Thickness, some are very grainy, thick, coarse, some are very fine texture, fine particles of sand, some are thicker. So that's all. Texture, age, it takes millions of years to form soil. The age factor is there. Chemical and physical properties. Just now we have talked about minerals in the soil when they get mixed up with the soil due to water. That's a chemical composition is there, and physical properties. So physical properties such as color, texture, thickness, these are physical properties. So these are all factors and processes that gives us the different types of soil and formation of soil. Formation as well as different physical features, physical properties, having different groups or different types of soil are formed. Number 6. India has varied relief. Relief we have talked about in our previous class. Relief means land feature. Relief feature: mountains, plains, deserts, plateau regions, coastal areas. So India has varied relief features. We have already talked about various types of land found on the earth. It is also found in India. Landforms, climate and vegetation. Vegetation means plants. Vegetation types are also responsible for this variety of soils found in India. So due to climatic conditions, due to various relief features, various vegetations, different types of vegetation found in different areas, as well as the relief feature, landforms, these are all the factors. So that are also responsible for this variety of soils found in India. So we'll continue in our next class alluvial soil, about its property, how it is formed and its properties, why it is the best soil. We'll talk about all these things in our next class. So this is all about the formation of soil, the factors, natural forces, as well as why there are such a lot of varieties, various type of soils found in India. So for this also here some points are given here. So you go through this, you listen to this, go through your book, as well as if you want to copy these points, you can take the screenshot, and when you are offline you can copy it out. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I hope you have understood what I have told you. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you very much.